Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video, I'll show you a simple way on how to build an attendance tracker app. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below this video to the description and click on the first link you find there. Then you're going to come across this platform, Glide. Glide is a platform that lets you create custom apps without coding. So, after clicking the link in the description, now you need to sign up to Glide. You can choose to sign up with your Google or your email address. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you will be directed to your Glide account. Now, creating an attendance tracker app in Glide is a straightforward and simple process that allows you to record students' attendance and generate reports. To begin, navigate to the left menu on the Glide interface and select the Templates option. This will take you to your template page where all your existing templates are displayed. To access more templates, click on the Template Store button. This action will redirect you to the Templates library, a comprehensive collection of different templates organized into various categories for easy navigation. If you're looking for a specific template, you can use the search bar for a faster and more efficient search. In this case, we want to create an attendance tracker app. Therefore, type in the keyword attendance in the search bar. The search results will display various templates related to attendance tracking. For this tutorial, let's select the template titled Attendance Tracker. Clicking on it will take you to another page where you'll see two options on the right side: Create this app and Preview. Click on the Create this app button to proceed. This action will direct you to the editor where you can further customize the template. Once you have customized the app to your satisfaction, it's time to publish it. To do this, click on the Publish button located at the top right corner of the editor. After the app is published, the Share button will appear in the same location. Clicking on this button provides multiple options to share your app, including via a QR code, a link, or inviting users through their email. And there you have it, a beginner's guide on how to build an attendance tracker app in Glide. With these steps, you can now create an app that effectively tracks attendance and generates reports. To get started, simply sign up using the first link provided in the video description. Thank you for considering this option. I hope you found this tutorial useful and learned something new. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up to show your appreciation. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to comment below. I will do my best to respond to all comments and provide helpful answers. Thanks for watching, and take care.